TikTok, you have got recipes that I have never heard of, and they're amazing. The TikTok Italian chopped sandwich. It looks interesting. I'm not sure what the craze about it is, other than I had to try it. Let me show you what I have. What I have is a little provolone, pepperoni, ham, and salami. Red onion, tomato, a little shredded lettuce. Oh wait, I got other things. Hold on. It doesn't stop. I almost forgot. My favorite thing, banana peppers and roasted red. Are they? Because they don't say sweet peppers, they say on them. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little red wine vinaigrette that I'm going to make. This is how it's done. You got to do something with the onion. I can't just throw the onion and expect me to chop it. That wouldn't work. Clean your onion, clean off the red, skin, slice it like this, basically. You also have tomatoes that, boom. So let's start stacking our sandwich. Ham. Then you've got your, pepperoni right across the top. Then you have salami. Cheese it up, baby. Onions that you just cut up, and now the tomato. Some of them banana peppers right along the top. Italian roasted red peppers. I love these. And from here, I can mix it up in a bowl, or I could just pour a little olive oil across the top like this. A little red wine vinegar. This is the way I like it. And I got some Italian seasoning that I just picked up from the spice rack in the store. Right across the top like that. And salt and pepper. All right. And what they say is you get yourself a knife and you start chopping it up. Boy, I tell you though, you're going to get flavor in every bite. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of this Italian seasoning on it. All right, let's get some more chopping going on here. There's enough here for 2 sandwiches, and luckily I have 2 rolls. But you got to cut this open. Voila! So, I don't know, it was really easy to make, but it all comes down to taste. If it tastes good, then it's worth the effort, and that's what it boils down to. Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the effort worth the reward? And I don't know, this looks like some reward right here to me, so let's taste it. Listen, it's fantastic, but what's not to love? It's what I love about a sandwich. It's a great sandwich. Does the chopping enhance the sandwich? I don't know. It'd be interesting to find out what you think. If you make this, tell me what you think. It's a very tasty sandwich. It's definitely not going to go to waste. I am definitely going to eat it. If you try this, please come back and let me know how it came out. I think it's very good. Will I do it again? I'm not really sure. Is it worth it? I'm not really sure. It's definitely tasty. In the meantime, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe, because that'll help me out. And if nothing else, please come back again. And if you have an idea, put it down below on something else I can try and cook. In the meantime, this is Buck signing off. You have a great weekend.